Whoa, what happened to your eye?
Oh, I scratched it over the weekend. I have to get surgery soon.
That's gotta hurt.
No, they use anesthesia.
I wonder who that's made.
Let's find out.
So at Pyramid Critical Care, we actually do everything here. There are a lot of companies that just manufacture or package or distribute. We do it all here. We take in some pretty hazardous chemicals such as chlorine and hydrogen fluoride, and through our manufacturing process we turn that into an inhaled anesthesia, which you would get at a hospital. It's not the injectable kind you get with a needle, it's the kind you inhale through a mask.
The Bethlehem, Pennsylvania facility of Pyramid Critical Care is owned by A.J. Pyramid. The company employs over 150 individuals, which they value greatly. Here we have Tony describing a typical day at Pyramid.
Usually we come in, we set up for the runs that we're going to do, which can be anywhere between 6,000 to 10,000 bottles a day.
10,000 bottles a day? Wow, that's 3,640,000 bottles a year. That's a lot of surgery.
Pyramid produces, bottles, distributes, and markets anesthesia in 118 different countries across 6 continents. Here we discover what type of anesthesia Pyramid bottles.
It will consist of sevoflurane, isoflurane, 100 milliliter bottles, 250 milliliter bottles.
Kevin explains the target market for the Pyramid anesthesia.
And it's very interesting to work here because somebody's affected. Anybody in your family, even your pets. We do anesthesia for animals, for veterinarians also, which is very interesting. But everybody, somewhere along the line, had an operation, or you went to the dentist and you were put under by anesthesia.
Pyramid makes sure that their product is safe for use in operating rooms. Joe explains how this is accomplished.
Yeah, so this is where the collar gets put on top of the bottle, and this collar acts like a key. You see these little tabs sticking out that makes so that the anesthesiologist in the hospital can only put an isoflurane bottle and an isoflurane vaporizer made by Pyramid Critical Care.
Thanks, Pyramid. Now I won't feel a thing.